Hi y'all, good morning. I'm filming this on Sunday, but you'll see it on Monday morning, so I hope that you have had a wonderful weekend. I know this is weird going into our second week of online learning, but thank you all for being here and for participating. Our algebra project has been really interesting so far, so I hope that you're getting something out of it, and that it's all making sense. So I just wanted to use this intro video to walk you through, quickly what your algebra lesson will look like today. In MATLAB, my last thing I want to do is give you more work or make things more confusing for you. So instead, I'm just going to give you kind of an overview of what your algebra lesson will look like, and then give you a chance to sign up for office hours. I already have office hours planned with a few of you for later today, so I'm excited for that. So on this document, you are not this one, you're going to be watching a few videos and just typing your answers into the place where it's the document is purple. For number 2, you're going to get an overview to this idea of math modeling. This might be the first time you've heard of this. So this is actually exciting because you're going to get to watch an interview that I did with my friend Adrian, he's a professional math modeler. So you'll get to hear about what that's all about. He basically studies climate change, and he studies now the coronavirus and how the coronavirus spreads. And basically his whole job, as you'll see in the video, is to come up with these equations to try to predict how either the coronavirus or climate change will behave. So he's like a professional mathematician. It's pretty cool. You'll get to see in the video. And you'll get to see me in that video as well. You're going to be answering these following questions about math modeling. And then you're going to be able to decide. I don't think today you're deciding on your equation. You're just thinking about assumptions that you're going to make in your model, which will be fully explained in these other videos. So for MATLAB today, all you need to do is watch this intro video, which you're already doing. Then you need to quickly fill out the survey just so I can check in with how you're doing on the project. And then you can get started right away if you haven't already on your algebra. And it should look the same for all 3 teachers. I have Miss Murphy's open right now, but it will look the same no matter who your algebra teacher is. Okay, that's all from me. I hope that you have a wonderful Monday, first Monday of online learning, and keep signing up for office hours and keep reaching out. I'm going to put something in the survey today where you can just let me know if you want me to contact you at some point today. If you don't want to talk on the phone or over video, I totally understand. It's definitely hard to get used to, but I could even just send you a quick text, and we could have a text conversation as you're working on your project, if that's helpful to you. So those options will be in the survey, and I hope you have a wonderful day of online learning. Thank you for watching.